Transactions are at the heart of all activity on Paperless Pipeline. The system makes it easy to store and track everything related to a transaction in an organized, easy-to-search, secure, and convenient environment. To create a new transaction, click Add Transaction from the top navigation bar on any page. Enter information about the transaction. You can always update existing information or add more information later. Start by entering the location and the transaction's name. Most offices use the property's address as the name of the transaction. Enter the MLS or transaction number, status, and close date. Use the More Info field to track any info that is not captured in the other fields. Escrow numbers, referral sources, or any information specific to your office are all good examples. Enter an expiration date and complete the remaining fields. Expand the locations if necessary so you can locate the agents, or search for them by their first or last name. Check listing or selling to designate the agent's role in the transaction. Assigned agents will appear to the right of the assignment area. To remove an agent from the transaction, uncheck the box next to their name. Click the Add Co-op or Outside Agents checkbox to input information about an agent outside your company. This information is for reference only. These agents will not be provided access to the transaction. Click Add Transaction to save. Now, let's see how we can track a transaction's progress using checklists. Checklists remind agents and admins exactly what tasks need to be completed on transactions. The best way to add a checklist to a transaction is to let the system do it automatically based on the transaction's status, label, or side. You can also add a checklist manually to a transaction by clicking Add Checklist. Once a checklist has been added, you'll see its tasks listed on the left-hand menu of the transaction. Checklists instruct agents and admins exactly what tasks are needed to complete a transaction. A task may be assigned to listing agents, selling agents, or admins of a transaction. This assignment adds a layer of privacy to the tasks and also defines who is responsible for each task. Over the course of a transaction's life, users responsible for these tasks will take actions to complete the tasks. This usually involves executing and uploading signed contracts and other relevant docs to Pipeline. Once a task has been fulfilled by an agent, they can send a note to their admin. The admin will return to Pipeline to verify that the task has been completed. If everything looks good, the admin will mark the task as complete. Keep in mind that tasks on a checklist are independent of docs that will be uploaded to the transaction. That means that once a doc is uploaded, it must still always be verified and checked off by an admin before it is considered complete. Once all tasks on a transaction are marked as complete, the completion indicator will turn green.